Attention savvy business owners, want to make smarter decisions with your data? In today's competitive business world, understanding your data is key. Today we're diving into Excel's hidden gems, pivot tables, Power Query, and Power Pivot. First up, pivot tables. Select your data, hit the Insert tab, and choose Pivot Table. Drag your fields into rows, columns, and values to summarize your data. Customize it further with sorting and filtering. And don't forget to add a pivot chart for visual impact. Next, Power Query. Go to the Data tab, select Get Data, and import your files. Clean your data by removing duplicates and filtering rows. Transform it by merging tables or appending queries. Once done, load it back into Excel. Finally, Power Pivot. Enable the add-in under File. Options. Import your data and create relationships between tables. Use DAX for custom measures and build advanced pivot tables and charts. Recap time. Pivot tables, Power Query, and Power Pivot are your new best friends. Like, subscribe, and comment for more Excel tips. Make data-driven decisions and watch your business soar. Thanks for watching.